My current driving video setup consists of an iPhone 5S, this phone mount, an audio extension cable that I run from the trunk to right here. Then I run it all the way to an Apple headphone. And I use the mic from the headphones. The reason I use the Apple headphones, I tried a couple lavalier mics from Amazon, and those couldn't handle the higher decibel levels of the exhaust, and the sound would get all crackly at high RPMs, even when I started the car. So I read online, as someone said or suggested, trying out the Apple headphones, and honestly, those have been the most affordable and best solution for capturing sound. And using an old iPhone, like this has been the most reliable recording device for driving videos that I've had. I've made some awesome videos from this thing. Now, on the other side, I tried using this thing. This piece of shit is by far the worst thing for driving videos that I've used, just because it's so damn unreliable. Someday I'm gonna make a video of me doing a burnout or just going really fast and running over this GoPro Hero 3 Black Edition. It has been a giant piece of shit. Anyway, that is how you can make a very simple and high quality driving video with an iPhone. All you need is an iPhone, something like a 5S, an audio extension cable, and some Apple headphones, maybe a little blue painter's tape, and that's it. And you can make videos like this.